Verydarkman is a very great hater of Igbos. You can take this one to the bank. He is a very big manipulator. Now he is talking about Nnamdi Kano's matter. He said that Yohane should rally round to need to rally round instead of asking for money or compensation for the war, Biafra war, something like that. Yeah. But the same Mazi Nnamdi Kano came out on court and criticized the judicial system of government. You can see this young man kept quiet, called very dark man, kept quiet. If you are very, very observant, Verydarkman attacks more of Igbos. How many people from Edo has he attacked? How many people from the north has he attacked? It's only Sibo, Nedu, from Nedu to Mesichimo. Yes, from Mesichimo. Even Nnamdi Kanu, he criticized, though the same Nnamdi Kanu is running for, he criticized the IPOB formed by Nnamdi Kanu, that they are the ones behind insecurity in Southeast. Check the number of Igbos he has talked about. Some people say, hey, but he has talked about some other tribe. How many people has he talked about Yoruba, in Yoruba tribe? How many? Bobrisky, who again? One or two Yabo, and the issue about the matter, just a few of them, but calculate the number of Igbos that are involved. He has talked about negatively. But he's from Benin. No? How many people from Benin? When you raise the dust now, he will now act those kind of manipulative scripts and begin to argue and make like he's sympathizing with Igbos and tell you, let's support the Igbos, and then they should support Nnamdi Kanu. But go and check some, he will tell you he's not a supporter of Nnamdi Kanu, the same person. Check his previous videos. This man is a great manipulator, and Igbos should not be falling for this, especially this our females. Stop falling unnecessarily. Don't be too emotional when it comes to things like this. Don't be too emotional. This guy hardly speaks against his own tribe. The North, where he has been staying for a long time, he hardly speaks against North. And if he's never a freedom fighter, how many politicians has he called to order? How many? I ask, how many? Some of you call him freedom fighter. He's never a freedom fighter. He's just chasing cloud. He's just a content creator. There's no difference between him and the rest of others creating contents in Nigeria. He's just a content creator. Some of you gave him that freedom fight. I don't know. Do you know what it means to fight freedom? You think it's by shining your eyes and all that. That's freedom. The guy is simply a content creator and is manipulative. So when you are dealing with this young man, a very dark man, you have to avoid anything emotional sentiments. He's not talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, they should release him. It's not like he supports Igbo. Some of you think he loves it. It's not it. It's when he notices that people are bashing him that area. He will now try to have a soft landing. Don't be deceived by that man. Very dark man. He is a great manipulator. Don't ever be deceived. If you're an Igbo person listening to me here, don't ever be deceived by him. Very dark man should change from his ways. If he's advocating for good Nigeria, he should be neutral. He should be neutral without any play a fair game. Thank you very much.